Hello students, hope you are all fine. And today we will be doing a Christmas activity. Why? Because Christmas month has started and we will be having Christmas holidays soon now. So let's do some Christmas activity so that you all can feel the Christmas in your house. Okay, it's a very cute paper Santa face made only by paper and cutting. A little difficult in the sense you will need little help from your mummies, but otherwise you can manage. Chalo, let's begin. Chalo students, let's start with our Christmas activity. Take a white paper. If you have a cut paper also chalega, like this. Take a round plate or any round shape, anything, whatever you have, put it ulta. We have done almost a similar activity, students. This will go easy for you. But you all know we are making a Santa face. Very cute and easy Santa face. So by now you all should know how to do this on your own. Make a circle. Cut it nicely. Wondering why Mehendi is there on my hand? Because there was a wedding, students, in my house. Not in my house. Make a circle like this. Okay, so let me tell you all what all you all will need. All you all will need is 3 color papers like this. Okay, one white, one red, and one this kind of a skin color, peach color, anything like this. Okay. Now after making the circle, you have to fold it into half. Nicely crease it. Take the peach color paper and mark. Okay, now this actually don't fold it. I'll just show you all. Okay, keep it like this, almost like this. So meaning it should be a little, almost half over here. Okay, half the circle over here, and you will can mark from this point to this point we need the paper. Okay, so you can take the straight line, you can draw the straight line, and we need the midpoint. Okay, now midpoint. Okay, so we will cut it. How should we do it? We just take out a piece first of paper, student, then we can take out we can fold and we can take out the midpoint properly. So cut this piece out. Okay, now see, I lost the point, so I need to take the point because that is exactly where I want the paper till. So cut this much also, fold it so you get a straight line. Cut it off. Now you can take just fold it very slightly. Don't take so much pressure and take the midpoint. So we got the midpoint. Now what you have to do is you have to draw curves like this. Okay, these are the cheeks of the Santa. So now we can fold it and we can cut it so that we get a proper shape. See, like this. Okay, and we have to place it on the circle over here. Yes, fine. Now we can stick this part. Fevicol, Fevistick, anything you can take and you can stick it. Okay, this is stuck. Now we need to make a round circle. So we can use, see this much nose. No, we need a bigger nose we want. So we need to go and hunt for a bigger circle. So I have a Fevicol ka bottle over here. Let me put the Fevicol ka bottle. This looks nice. Okay, so I'll take a red circle out with the help of my Fevicol bottle. So I have a red cut paper over here. I'll use this. Okay. Okay, so where will the circle come? The circle will actually come like this, a little above. Okay, a little smaller nose will look better, but I don't have a very small one. This will become too small and this is becoming too big. What to do, students? See, we have to go on looking for this, and this is same. Chalega. Now we'll have to do a big nose only. What to do? Okay, so let's stick the nose. Okay, so nose is done. Now we need to draw the eyes and the lips. So we can take out two small black circles and we can use that as the eye. But we can draw the lips. Okay, now after sticking the nose, I've already After sticking the nose, children, I've already cut two circles of eyes. We shall be sticking that, okay? Fine. Now we need to add a little white thing on the eyes. So if you have a white sketch pen, you can do it with the sketch pen. I don't have a white sketch pen, so what I am going to be doing is I will just stick a small piece of white paper, very small piece of white paper. Not going in the proper place. too big. Okay, yeah. You don't have to be perfect, students. You there for the first standard, right or no? Okay, I have not put it on the right side. So what I'm saying is, if it is for little children, it's okay if it is not perfect. Why? Because I want you all to do it, not your mothers. So I don't expect you children to have perfect small pieces cut and all. Okay, so this is done. Now what you have to do is, now we have to prepare the Santa cap. Let's finish off this smiley first. Okay, a nice big smiley. Yeah, yes. After that, we need to take red paper. Okay, I'll take this out away from here. And we need to draw the hat. Now, how are you going to draw the hat? We need the hat from complete circle we need, okay? So, we will take the point of the circle first. Fine. And we can take out a triangle. Now, this a little bit of mummies can help. I need a ruler. I'll just get a ruler. So with the help of the ruler, you all can trick out a triangle. Or first, just understand from till where you want the hat. Okay, it's going to be folded also, so you can take it till somewhere here. Cut it off. And this is going to be folded. It's going to be folded this way little bit, okay? Yeah. So this has to be basically only of so much, not such a big one. We can just cut off a little bit, okay, students? So we can't even have a very long one, so let's cut it off. So after folding, cut off this much. Now it will be proper, okay? Now we will fold this, and we have to have, yes, so it becomes almost of this much height. Now we stick to a white paper. Before that, the cap is going to be folded even this way. You can fold it even this way. Okay, a Santa cap is always falling this way now. Okay, and we need to stick a white paper on this. So take the white cut paper only. We don't need to waste the paper. And we keep this Santa thing over here. And this much white strip we need, okay? Cut it off. stick this. Looks like Santa hat now, students. Yes, cute it is. Yeah, okay. Now after this we have to stick it over here like this. So very little here we will put the Fevi-Stick. Yeah, press it nicely so that it doesn't come out. And now we shall open our circle. Okay, the fan is on. I'll have to switch off the fan. Can you all see the completing? So cute it is, our Santa, no? In the fan it will fall off. See students, this is done. Now because our paper is little thin, it's not thick, it doesn't stand, right? So what have I done? I've put little double tape on both the sides. Mummies know what is double tape, so they will give you, you'll have to stick it on both the sides like this. And then it will definitely stand, okay? Of course the fan should not be on, otherwise it does not stand. Otherwise it stands very nicely. Yes, I will still not, I know you can see from the top, I will give you a side view. So happy doing this activity, children, and enjoy the Christmas. Keep it in your hand, you'll feel the Christmas feel. Next week again we're doing one Christmas activity because Christmas is month, Christmas month. Let's do something with the Christmas thing only, okay?